Alright, rapid fire science time. What does research actually say about visualizing your future, and can it really change what happens next? Buckle up, because this is going to be fast. First off, scientists call this mental imagery or prospective visualization. It's when you vividly picture yourself nailing that exam, landing that job, or finally running a marathon without collapsing. But here's the big question: does it work? In a 2016 meta-analysis, Driscoll and colleagues found that mental practice improved performance by 23% compared to no practice at all. That's almost a quarter better, just by imagining. But here's the kicker: it works best when combined with real practice. Neuroscience backs this up. fMRI scans show that when you imagine an action, your brain activates nearly the same regions as when you physically do it. It's like a rehearsal for your neurons. Think of it as a dress rehearsal for your life. But wait, does imagining your future actually make it happen? In a 1998 study, Yedingen and Wadden found that people who visualized positive fantasies about their weight loss actually lost less weight. Why? Because just daydreaming can trick your brain into feeling like you've already succeeded, reducing motivation. On the flip side, mental contrasting, that's imagining your goal and the obstacles, boosts real-world action. In fact, research from Eddingen in 2014 shows that people using mental contrasting were 35% more likely to achieve their objectives than those who just fantasized. So, 35%? That's a big deal. But let's not get carried away. Visualization isn't magic. A 2022 systematic review in Frontiers in Psychology concluded that while visualization can help with motivation and focus, there's no evidence it can predict the future or guarantee success. It's a tool, not a time machine. Bonus fact: elite athletes use visualization like crazy. Over 90% of Olympic athletes use mental imagery, and 70% say it's crucial for their performance. But again, they pair it with relentless practice. So, has this been seriously studied? Absolutely. Hundreds of academic papers, brain scans, and experiments say, yes, visualization changes our brains and behavior, but only if you use it right. Remember, the assembly of public facts can be imperfect. This is not a medical advice. 60 Sec University class, Nonder 136, offered by Laprove.com, source of Nopal, Silphium garum, and Pinoy. Latest scientific info: distrust, revise, subscribe.